So right now we are going to say hi Ming. Ming. Hi Ming.
Hello everyone, this is RL Vibes. So today is August 26th. Yesterday was August 25, which is my birthday, and I spent my day with the family. For today, we will be celebrating my birthday again with my friends, my two close friends only, kasi syempre, we're on a budget. But here's a quick morning vlog for you all. Let's go! Yeah, so that was my breakfast. So right now we will be going to Trinity again. Yes, August 26th is suspended, I know, but we still have job to do and offices of TUA are open, so we have to go to school still. Although it's a bit late, so we have to make it quick. Okay, let's go in 3, 2, 1.
We are here.
So right now we are alone dito. Ito yung ginagawa natin. Di siya kita. Basta Excel siya about sa job order. Just around 10 a.m. pa lang. Yun lang update. So right now we are done.
Kasama natin si Ming Ming. Pinapainom natin ng tubig kasi hi Ming. Ming. Hi Ming. Ayaw. Hindi po. Hi Ming. So ito yung pagkain mo. Okay? Let's go. Ito sa babaw. Ayan, enjoy ah. So right now we are going to SNR. Kasi lilibre ko na yung kasama ko since birthday ko. Let's go. Transition na lang in 3, 2, 1. So guys, nandito na si Kai. Inaantay na lang si Pau. Ayan na, dumating na yung isa.
Rice o Jeffrey? Ano, malaki talaga. Parang pwede mo sa'yo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wow.
Ayan, enjoy, enjoy.
Happy birthday, birthday.
May cake pa pala tayo.